sets DeMorgan's law. We're going to first shade each requested region using what we just learned in when we talked about Venn diagrams. So let's go ahead and label all these regions real quickly. So for number 11, we need the complement of A union B. So A union B is represented by regions 1, 2, and 3, but we want the complement of that, so we'll be shading region 4. Okay, for number 12, we would like to shade the intersection of the complement of A and the complement of B. So the complement of A can be represented by regions 3 and 4. And the complement of B can be represented by regions 1 and 4. Okay, so what regions do they have in common? Region 4, so that's what we will shade. And maybe you notice that number 11 and number 12 have the same results. We're both shading region 4. Alright, next on 13, I believe you'll see that it's opposite what we had on number 11. In this case, they want us to shade the complement of the intersection of A and B. So the intersection of A and B could be represented by section 2. But we want the complement of that, which means we need to shade regions 1, 3, and 4. So we're going to shade everything except for region 2. And again, I apologize for my messiness. Just want you to get to the general idea. Okay, and so on number 14, they're asking us to shade the region of the complement of A and union the complement of B. So complement of A is represented by sections 3 and 4, and the complement of B is represented by regions 1 and 4. So remember, since it's a union, we want to shade regions 1, 3, and 4, just like we did on number 13. So hopefully you are seeing DeMorgan's law come to life, in that you see some equivalent expressions. So I asked, what conclusions can you make from the patterns shown above? Well, hopefully you'll be able to state DeMorgan's law, which says the complement of the union of A and B is equivalent to the union of the complement of A and the complement of B. Similarly, the complement of the intersection of A and B is equivalent to the union of the complement of A and the complement of B.